Hello everyone, today I want to explain about Pencaksilat as an element of Indonesian culture. Next, definition of Pencaksilat. Pencaksilat is a traditional martial art from Indonesia. It combines self-defense technique, art, and cultural values. Pencaksilat is a practice in many regions of Indonesia. Pencaksilat is not only used for fighting, but also for improving discipline, confidence, and physical fitness. Many schools and communities Pencaksilat as a part of cultural education. Next, history of Pencaksilat. Pencaksilat has existed for hundreds of years in Indonesia. It was originally used by Indonesian people to protect themselves and their communities. Over time, Pencaksilat became part of Indonesian culture and tradition. Over time, Pencaksilat developed into a traditional culture practice. Different regions created their own movement and technique based on local tradition and lifestyle. Okay, next, characteristic of Pencaksilat. Pencaksilat use hand and foot movements, balance, and concentration. The movements are unique because they combine martial arts and traditional dance elements. Practitioners usually wear black traditional uniforms. One unique characteristic of Pencaksilat is the artistic movement that looks similar to traditional dance. Practitioners usually wear black uniforms and traditional belts during performance or competition. Okay, next, Pencaksilat performance. Pencaksilat performance are often shown in cultural festivals and competition. Traditional music usually accompanies the performance. The movements are powerful, artistic, and disciplined. The combination of music and martial art movement makes Pencaksilat performance attractive and entertaining. Some performances also tell stories about heroism and bravery. Okay, next, cultural values of Pencaksilat. Pencaksilat techniques discipline, respect, courage, and self-control. It also strengthens friendship and unity among people. Pencaksilat reflects Indonesian cultural identity and local wisdom. Students of Pencaksilat are taught to use their skills responsibly and avoid violence. Respect for the teacher and other people is important value in Pencaksilat culture. Okay, next, Pencaksilat in modern era. Today, Pencaksilat is recognized internationally. It is practiced in many countries and included in international sport competition. UNESCO recognized Pencaksilat as an intangible cultural heritage in 2019. In 2019, UNESCO officially recognized Pencaksilat as an intangible cultural heritage of humanity. The recognition helps introduce Indonesian culture to the world. Next, conclusion. Indonesian Indonesian people should prefer and promote Pencaksilat to younger generation and the international community. Pencaksilat shows the riches of Indonesian culture and identity. Okay, in inclusion, Pencaksilat is not only traditional clothing but also an important cultural identity for Indonesian people. Over time, pencaksilat has become an important part of Indonesian cultural identity because it combines elements of art, sport, tradition, and spirituality. In addition to functioning as a form of self-defense, pencaksilat also serves as a way to preserve culture that has been passed down from generation to generation. Its movements, traditional clothing, musical accompaniment, and philosophy reflect the richness of Indonesian culture, with international recognition as a cultural heritage. People are encouraged to continue protecting, learning, and preserving pencaksilat so it can remain alive and be appreciated by future generations. Okay, thank you for listening.